Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today I will teach you the green partial smoky eye, and with the help of flat applicator taking the black eyeshadow, depositing over the edges of the eye with the help of taping. Now again taking the brown eyeshadow, through this color we will blend the black color to the outer edges inward direction or in circular movement. As you can see, if you want to see the color I have taken from the palette, pretty all set you can be. You can take the screenshot, you can reverse the video. Now again with the help of blending brush, blending this eyeshadow in a way you can see. Make it as natural as you can. Once you achieve the natural effect and blurring out all the lines, then moving on next, taking the flat applicator and use the green eyeshadow, depositing it over the inner corner of the eye. Now blur out the crease lines and blending it with the help of blending brush. You can see blurring out all the lines. Feel your eye makeup. Now taking the flat applicator and the pressed glitter eyeshadow in color white, applying it to the inner corner of the eye. Now after applying two-way gel from the brand Miss Claire, again taking the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color white, applying it to the inner corner. As you can see, now after lash application, removing the taping, the lashes I have been used from the brand Bombay Vanity. You can see. Now for doing the under eye work, I have taken the Charm Walk Beauty Cut Gel Liner in the color white. It's a gel kajal pencil. Applying it to the lower lashes of the eye. Now for smudging, taking the smudging brush with the same color of the eyeshadow, the darkest brown, smudging the under eye in a way you see in the video. Taking the green color, deposit it to the inner corner, smudging it. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye. You can see how beautifully it turns out. Here is the final look in front of you. So if you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, practice.